guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I make healthy ice cream, quote unquote ice cream, at home using a few ingredients. Healthy, very delicious, very easy. Honestly, technically it's not really ice cream, but I like to call it ice cream because it's creamy and it's delicious and it makes me feel like I'm actually eating ice cream with less calories. So I don't know why I have this spoon in my hand, but if you guys want to know how to make this healthy ice cream at home, then please stay tuned. So to make your healthy ice cream that isn't actually ice cream at home, you're gonna need a few ingredients. So the first ingredient you're gonna need, and probably the most important ingredient, is some bananas. You're gonna need some bananas.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
So I'm aware that these are bananas. I know these are plantains and I know they're green, but my bananas are all used up and I wanted to show you guys a banana that isn't actually a banana. Next, you're gonna need some coconut milk. Now, liquid coconut milk is great. Don't use the powder, get the one in the can, because I'm going to show you why. This is what's going to like help the ice cream to be even creamier than it would actually be without the coconut milk. These two ingredients are very optional. You don't have to have them, but I like to add them to my ice cream mixture because I like the taste. So any frozen fruit is fine, but these are frozen blueberries, and I also have chocolate, Hershey chocolate. So I'm gonna add this to my mixture after everything, just to like give it like an ice cream feel. Let me eat some chocolate chip ice cream. So yeah, these are optional. You don't have to have these. To sweeten your ice cream, these are also optional. You can like go all out and be healthy and don't sweeten your ice cream, but like I'm just showing you guys different options. So you can use some condensed milk or you can use some honey. Honey if you want to be healthy, condensed milk if you want like your things to be nice and creamy and sweet and everything, you can like use some condensed milk. To flavor your ice cream, you're going to use some vanilla and some cinnamon. Cinnamon not necessary, vanilla is definitely necessary. So last but not least, you're going to use a blender. I'm using a NutriBullet blender. I think you can use a regular blender. I'm hoping you can use a regular blender without it getting too liquidy or anything. But if you have a food processor, great. But I know a lot of you guys may not have one. But you might have a blender or a NutriBullet or one of those little bullet stuff. So a blender is great. So to prep your ingredients, right? So unfortunately I'm not able to show you guys how to prep because I already prepped all of my ingredients. But what you're gonna do is, with your ripe bananas, you're gonna cut them in half and you're gonna freeze them for at least a couple hours so that they're super frozen. So this is what's gonna make your ice cream all nice and creamy and delicious. So this is the base for your ice cream. So I have a few bananas in here because I want to make a lot of ice cream. Next thing that you're gonna prep is your coconut milk. You're gonna put your coconut milk in the fridge overnight. Ensure your fridge is cold enough so that the coconut is gonna like solidify and separate a little bit from the liquid, and you're gonna use that nice cream to create your creamy ice cream. And that's literally it. That's all for the prepping. You don't really have to do anything extra, just have your ingredients. So into my NutriBullet, I'm gonna add my ingredients. I'm gonna add my bananas. I'm gonna add like 2 bananas. Actually, I'm gonna add 3 bananas. At this point, you can also add your frozen fruit. I'm adding my frozen blueberries just to give it that nice texture, that creamy texture I'm looking for. And then you're gonna blend this together. Blending is gonna take a while because it's like frozen and there's no liquid added. So blending takes a while, but just like blend and stop and blend and stop and blend and stop. If you're having any issues with blending, you're gonna like stop and just mix everything. So this is what it's looking like already. It's coming together. It's already nice and creamy. But it's already nice and creamy. It's not finished blending. I still have some banana chunks inside, but I'm gonna blend one more time and that should be it. So guys, I think that's it for my ice cream. So you're gonna blend until it gets to this really smooth texture. It's really good. It's really good. Next, you're gonna get your coconut milk and you're gonna take the cream from the top that has solidified and settled, and you're gonna put it into your mix. So guys, at this point I realized that my coconut milk hadn't frozen or solidified enough because I was trying to rush the process for this video. So it was a little bit more liquidy than I wanted it to be, and it did end up making my ice cream a little bit more liquid than creamy and thick, as you can see me pouring it in. But if you follow the recipe and you just put your coconut milk in the fridge overnight, you'll be fine and your milk will solidify and you'll be able to get a nice thick creamy texture. The end result was still good, it was still delicious, and when I redid it, it was perfect and it was delicious. So guys, it's now the next day and I'm going to show you what your ice cream looks like. So I added some more chocolates on top, but this is basically what it looks like. So guys, this is how you make your ice cream that is not actually ice cream at home. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys do try this video, please let me know how it goes. Let me know if you like it. Give me any tips to improve the recipe if you do. Of course, like I said before, this ice cream recipe would work out better with like a food processor, but I don't have a food processor. A lot of people don't really have a food processor, so I think a blender is fine. So this is what I got. Anyways guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and of course I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!